Hello, welcome to this amazing video. My name is video. Today we are going to look at some words to know. Words to know. Ebigambo byokumanya. Ebigambo byokumanya. Remember here at Beni Beni we learn English and Luganda. So ntwiga oluzungu no Luganda. Okay, let's start. Number 1 we have weed. Weed. Weed is W-E-E-D. Weed. Weed in Luganda it is omuddo. Omuddo, for example, I have a lot of weed in my garden. You know omuddo mungi mu lusuku lwange. So weed is omuddo. Omuddo. Number 2 we have timber. 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 So timber in Luganda is embaawo. Embaawo. Timber is embaawo. Caterpillar. 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 So caterpillar is ekisaanyi. Ekisaanyi. Caterpillar is ekisaanyi. Chameleon. Chameleon. So chameleon in Luganda it is nawolovu. Nawolovu. So chameleon is nawolovu. Once again, chameleon, nawolovu in Luganda. Okay, let's proceed. Grass. Grass. Grass in Luganda is obusubi. Obusubi. Grass is obusubi. Another one, blame. Blame. So blame is okunenya. Blame. Okunenya. Blame. Okunenya. King. King. So king in Luganda is kabaka. King is kabaka. We have queen. Queen. Queen is wife to a king. So queen. Queen in Luganda is Nabagereka. Nabagereka. So queen is Nabagereka. Okay, let's proceed. Prayer. Prayer. So prayer in Luganda is esala. Esala. Prayer is esala. Yes, esala. That is prayer. Another one is winner. Winner. It's like you are winner. A winner. Winner. Omuwanguzi in Luganda. Winner is omuwanguzi. Of course, winner, omuwanguzi. Another one. Angel. Angel. Yes, do you believe in angels? So angel. Angel is malaika in Luganda. Angel is malaika in Luganda. Angel, malaika. Miracle. 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 So miracle is ekyamagero. Ekyamagero. Miracle, ekyamagero. Once again, miracle is ekyamagero. Okay. Drink. Drink. Like you're drinking something. So drink is nywa. Nywa. For example, drink that soda. Nywa soda oil. So drink is nywa. Okay, those were some of the words that I wanted you to know. Bye bye. Let's meet up in the next video. Wherever.